Hi folks, Grimmute here. I picked up this at Harbor Freight yesterday. I thought it was pretty cute. A little tiny thing. But I got a little spot on a Camaro that I'm not sure what's going on with the paint, and I thought this would be perfect for it. So I'm going to do an unboxing and see what we got. So 12 volt max lithium polisher sander kit, earthquake, 2 amp hour battery. From what I could see at the store, it looked like a pretty durable little tool. Let you guys see this. Package contents and the features. I don't know if there's a video out there of this thing or not. I haven't seen anything. So let's break this puppy out. Alright, let's see if we can get into this thing. By the way, I made this table a couple days ago with the Craig pocket jig. It's pretty sturdy little table. Plans called for 3/4 plywood, but I was like, screw that. I'm gonna do rip some 2x4s and join them together. Get a little epoxy on the top there. It's a pain in the butt trying to do this with one hand. Alright, earthquake. Comes with a little case. Not as durable as the Hercules brand cases, but good enough. Alright, we got a handle there, destructions, little buffing pad, wool, sponge, type polish pad. Here's another one. And some attachments. We'll get into those in a little bit. Velcro. Oh, a little tiny one. How cute. It's sanding discs. Alright, let's see. You know, that's not as cheesy as you'd think it would be for how small it is. This thing's pretty heavy little head on it. Metal. Nice soft grip. On off. Safety's a little switch there, so it's not really forward and reverse, just an on off safety, so you can't pull the trigger. What is that? Oh, that's a little locking mechanism. Okay, so you can tighten your little heads up on it. That's pretty neat. The battery here. Almost looks like some of the Milwaukee's 12-volt stuff. And a nice little charger here. Now, all in all, this thing is not that bad. It's not loud. It's on low. Oh yeah. Got a neat little light on it. And oh, let those pop out so you can put the handle in there. Sure do. Sweet. I was wondering where that screwed in at. So you can just screw your handle in there. I guess for some added control or something. It's not like the thing's a beast and you need to use two hands. I don't know. Maybe. I guess if you're grinding on something or polishing, you might want to hold on to that. Like a buffer wheel. On a big buffer, you need two hands. That thing will get away from you. But I don't know, that's pretty nice. I like it. I don't see the difference in quality as if I had a DeWalt or a Milwaukee in my hand. The shell quality, at least. Oh boy, try to open this crap up with one hand, just ridiculous. Alright, I'm gonna pause you guys and I'm gonna get all these open real quick. Okay, we're back. Alright, we got us a little sanding disc here. And I did not pick up any sanding pads. But I really wasn't going to use it for sanding. Let's say 3-inch max RPM 20,000. Jeez. On this little one here, for getting in those really tight areas. That one's got some writing on it too. What does that say? 2-inch. 51 millimeter. Come on, focus. Sanding only. Okay. And our little Velcro disc. Oh, it's got a little plug on the end of it. The other ones don't have that. Okay. Threaded. Oh, polishing wheel. Did I say sanding disc? I don't know. Oh, crap. Stick's good. Yeah, we got two foam. That one's a little softer feeling. That one's a little more dense. And our wool. Will that stick to that? Yep. Didn't look like it was capable of catching Velcro, but it is. This is no different than that, really. But there you go, folks. Nice little I think I might show you the little areas on the Camaro of what I was talking about. See if I can do this with one hand. Oh yeah. Let's throw that bad boy on there. Oh wow. Feel the wind coming off that thing. Nice. Something a little straighter. Definitely fast. Huh. I think it's excellent quality, really. Do not press during use. Yeah, it probably isn't good on it. I'm pressing that button while you got it going. So, you can leave the pad on it and it'll still close up. Okay, going. Oh yeah. Little storage there. Throw that right there. Battery. Wonder where I put these. Okay. Maybe. I don't know. Shouldn't hurt anything. Flip that over. Yeah. Well, there you have it, folks. The Earthquake polisher / sander. Yeah, who needs this crap? Yeah. I guess I'll pause you guys and then show you the spots on that Camaro. I think they'll show up. But I don't know, I got a paint sprayer and a DeWalt sander yesterday too. I think everybody's seen one of those. I don't know that I need to do a video on that. But, well, if you like this video, please put a like and subscribe if you want. And until next time, thank you guys. I almost forgot to show you guys the Camaro here and the spot that I'm talking about. It's on this fender. You guys can see, yeah, you can see it. Don't know what caused that, but it does not wash off. Somebody said it was the clear coat. Something got in the clear coat. Kind of wondering if I've seen it happen before when I was younger and worked at dealerships. One of the lot porters wrecking one of the cars, and then they just take it over to the body shop, fix it, and throw it back out on a new car lot. Seen it happen many times. Actually, it happened to me once. I drove one through a overhead door. It was a Ford. Had a bad transmission in it right from the factory, and it just jumped into gear. Had my feet hanging out the door with it running. That damn thing just took off, went through overhead door, and they took it to their body shop, cut the top off of it, put a new front clip, put a new top on it, welded it all back together, painted it, and stuck it back out on the new lot. So that's Ford for you. That's why I don't own any Fords. Just got my Chevy truck and a Nissan here. But alright guys, well, appreciate it. Subscribe if you like, and hit the like button. Thank you.